Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out of other devices on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead first access your Instagram, and then afterwards tap on this option, tap on this profile icon give below right corner. Now tap on this 3 horizontal and on top right corner. Now once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up. Go ahead, tap on this account center that will be given on top. Now scroll down, tap on this password and security, and here in this section you can find this option called where you are logged in. First thing, you can simply go ahead change your password as well for security purpose if you think your password is not strong enough and many people know about it, right? Other would be simply going to where you're logged in, and it will show you the devices that you're logged in, right? And then you can see detected unrecognized login devices. Tap on this review, and this is the devices that you're logged in. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this wasn't me, and then you will be able to get logged out of that particular device that you are logged in on. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.